Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I am going to explain how you can convert AL3 file data into e-labels for ACORD 125, 126 and 127 form mapping. In my earlier video, I explained how you can convert AL3 to e-labels for ACORD 90 AK form mapping. But now I will explain how you can convert AL3 to e-labels for ACORD 125, 126 and 127 forms. So let's start with the process. I am using three different AL3 files, one for commercial package, another for commercial general liability and a third one for commercial auto, and we will use their data to fill all three forms together. Let's start now. Firstly, we need to navigate to the Postman application. We need to import the AL3 parser API collection. That's what I have already done. Check my earlier videos to learn how to get the Postman API collection. Now I will head over to the login endpoint. In the body tab, I will fill in my username and password. The following parameter is the user secret key. The user secret key is also provided on our website's subscription page. I have already copied the user secret key. So the key has been pasted. Now I will hit the send button and you will find the access token. And you already know the access token will be automatically used by the rest of the endpoints. Now I am going straight to the list of supported forms. We need to click on the send button. The output has been produced. You will have multiple ACORD forms, but for this demonstration, I'll be using forms 125, 126 and 127. Firstly, I'll go with the ACORD 125 form. I will copy the form name. Now I will proceed to the AL3 to e-labels endpoint. In the input file parameter, I need to upload the AL3 file here. I have already selected a test file for ACORD 125, 126 and 127 forms. Now I will upload the AL3 file for ACORD 125. The file has been uploaded. In the form name parameter, I will paste the name of ACORD 125 form name, which I copied earlier. Now I will hit the send button. The output is generated. You will see the e-labels and their corresponding data. You may now see the AL3 files data in e-labels. In the generated output file, you will find the PDF URL at the end of it, but that link will open only the autofilled form number 125. Let me click it and show you this PDF form. As you can see, the PDF form is filled and visible, but we want to fill 125, 126 and 127 together. So we need to follow a slightly different direction. Let's move on. I will use the same process with the remaining PDF files I have for 126 and 127. Now I will go to the list supported forms e-labels endpoint. And in the multiple forms list, I will copy the ACORD 126 form. Let's copy the form name. In the next step, I'll head over to the AL3 to e-labels endpoint. In the input file parameter, now I will upload the AL3 file of ACORD 126. In the form name parameter, I will now paste the name of ACORD 126 form. Now I will hit on the send button. The output has been produced. At the end of the output, you will find the download link. Now let's move on, and our last remaining form is ACORD 127. For that, again I will go to the list supported forms parameter. Now I will copy the ACORD 127 form name. Now I will move on to the AL3 to eLabels endpoint. In the input file parameter, I will upload the ACORD 127 AL3 file. In the form name parameter, I will paste the ACORD 127 form name. Now I will hit the send button. The output has been produced. So you have found that each form's output eLabels data as well as the URL to see the populated PDF form is given in the generated output for that form. However, it is possible to combine all three forms into one and view them separately at the same time with the help of formcruise.com. So what we have to do in the Postman application, we need to import the formcruise collection. You can download the API from the formcruise website, and we need to fill our username and password. The next parameter is security token. We need to fill in that. The security token is provided on the formcruise website in the configuration menu. I have already copied the token. Now let's hit the send button. The output will be generated. Now I am going straight to the fill PDF multiform JSON endpoint. I'll head over to the body tab, and you can see the JSON data here. At the top you will see the eLabels and their corresponding key values. You can also see the form title for ACORD 125 and its eLabels are below. By scrolling down you will find the ACORD 126 and ACORD 127 eLabels and their corresponding key value. I have already copied and pasted all the eLabels of ACORD 125, 126 and 127 from AL3 to eLabels endpoint. Let me scroll slowly and show you how the eLabels output from doc.reader for all three forms is in use here. Form 126 and its eLabels, Form 127 and its eLabels, so this is how you need to fit in the output here, and this can be done easily with the script or program that will call the APIs. Now I will hit the send button. You will find that output is generated, and at the end of the output you will find a link to download each form's PDF. However, if you proceed to the very last at the bottom, you will see the form link. This is the multi-form link. When you open this link, each of the three forms will be open simultaneously. Let me show you. I will click on this link to launch it. and you will find all of the 3 forms are open, and by clicking on each form you can view them individually. At the top you will see the merge and download button. Using this button you can combine all the forms into one and download it. Let me show you how. The form has been downloaded. Let me open the downloaded form. And you will find that all the downloaded forms have been merged and combined. So you will see 125, 126 and 127 forms, and the e-labels data has been fully fetched into the forms. So this is how the process ends. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3 ACORD forms, AMS, CRM, PMS or any other insurtech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.